is Jason, the boards that we did yesterday, and she preparing for the police to go on. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning. Happy election day. I won't keep you, so we're going to try and walk and talk. Good morning, Prime Minister. Okay, well then we can hang out here a little bit. Good morning, happy election day, Prime Minister Jacobs. Top of the morning to you. We're here at the largest polling station for this election. How did you wake up this morning, and what did you do so far?
Well, I must say I got up quite calmly. I said my prayers, I did my meditation, and then of course I opened this. To the hundreds of messages, the well wishes, of course the last minute detailing, planning, what are we doing today, coordinating with our campaign manager and the other candidates to ensure that every polling station is covered, that there's visibility. But as a Prime Minister, of course, I also had to get in contact with the main voting bureau. You know, several calls are coming in and talking in terms of how people are lining up and whether it's good and whether it's bad. And so I'm still carrying the two caps today. As you can see, I'm here as Prime Minister and I'm going in to cast my vote. And that's my first real duty. After that, I will be touring the other stations to see how things are shaping up there. And then after that, I'll be going into campaign mode.
Now, very quickly, we know that the last snap election, the percentages of voter turnout it went down a little bit because after Hurricane Irma, many people were displaced. Do you have an ideal number? What is your expectation as the leader of this country for the voters turnout, seeing that we have 23,000 plus that are able to do this?
I am optimistic that we will surpass all expectations because I've seen that the people are coming to pick up their cards, so there's an interest by the people. And every party, and especially the National Alliance, we and this government has been encouraging the people to go out and vote. So I expect the numbers to definitely surpass last year's and hopefully even the year before.
Now, just a final word.
Have to go.
Yes, yeah, a final word to the viewers that are from St. Maarten that are living abroad.
Well, people of St. Maarten, I'm so sorry you couldn't be here to vote, but know that today is going to be D-Day for St. Maarten. We are in a new decade and we expect that we will be able to come back and run this country for 4 years. Thank you for tuning in.
Prime Minister, thank you so much. Pues, televidente, esa palabra ng di Prome Minister pura umesa no sa purba papia kuni pura ko labay lagano sa purba Devondre. Let's see if we can follow her a little bit this side as she's going into her polling station. She was waiting for her family and now her family has arrived, so she will be going into the polling station as she mentioned to cast her vote. Estaba aguardando su familia Yegada, su familia ng Yegada enta siniki eta bay 30 pa baixa su bala pa vota anto aceita onde su lagonos bisa su duties ng como cidadano de país. Claro, esta Prome Minister-Presidente de Isa de St. Maarten, pero esta cidadano também, anto também tem a direito de exercer seu direito de voto. Então, já nos mira a entrada de Minister-Presidente Jacobs para exercer seu voto com seu maior e outro membro de sua família. Pues, esse aqui é o momento que nós estamos aguardando para nos porranha. É a palavra de Minister-Presidente Silveria Jacobs. Nós estamos um tiki, pero nos temos ter de informação para poder ser para abo. Então, na final também, uma palavra para tour e pessoa de St. Maarten que está viva. Leo foi de casa. Ela mencionou década novo, era novo, pero também era novo para a isla de St. Maarten. Então, esse sentimento que ela tem como o líder de National Alliance, como número 1 arriba a lista, pero também como Prome Minister de país aqui. Nós vai ter tag, nós vai aqui com mais nos porranha pabo para nos por 13, pero já bosa que nós está on the ball aqui nang palo que trata election 2020, essa aqui nos Election Watch St. Maarten 2020 e um dias nós está back com mais pabo.